If you want to display information, instructions, titles, or messages in your app, labels are one of the most commonly used elements in Thunkable. A label is simply a text component that allows you to show content on the screen for users to read. Start by opening Thunkable in your web browser and selecting the project you want to edit. Once the project loads, navigate to the screen where you want the text to appear. With Thunkable's newer AI-powered workflow, you can use the AI chat to add or modify labels instead of manually searching through a component library. Simply open the chat panel and describe what you want to display. For example, you can type a prompt such as add a label that says "Welcome to my app," or create a title at the top of the screen that displays the text today's tasks. The AI will analyze your request and generate the appropriate label within your project. After a few moments, the label will appear on the screen with the text you specified. You can then review its placement and appearance within the app preview. If you want to change the text later, simply click on the label that already exists in your project. Once selected, you can edit the text content directly and replace it with a new message. This is useful if you want to update instructions, headings, descriptions, or any other information displayed to users. You can also use the AI chat to make adjustments. For example, you might ask it to change the label text, make it larger, move it to a different location, or update its wording. The AI will apply those changes without requiring you to rebuild the element from scratch. Labels are commonly used for screen titles, form instructions, status messages, welcome text, and other content that helps guide users through your application. Since they are simple and lightweight, they are often one of the first elements added to a screen. As you continue developing your app, you may have multiple labels serving different purposes. Some might display static text that never changes, while others could be updated dynamically based on user actions or data coming from external sources. After making your changes, preview the screen to ensure the text appears correctly and is easy to read. Taking a moment to check the wording, placement, and visibility of labels can help create a more polished user experience. And that's how you display text using a label in Thunkable. Simply open your project, add or select a label, enter the text you want to display, and update it whenever needed to provide information and guidance throughout your app.